Hello folks, I'm back at you guys with a quick back office update. I think the last time that I showed this total earnings, it may have been $920, and that might have been my last video that I showed my earnings. But nevertheless, this is the total earnings thus far as of April the 30th, 2019. And we've just had a back office facelift, which the back office was already nice, but it's nicer now. It's actually showing you somewhat of a leaderboard, 1 through 10, which is below this recording area. You can't see that, but there's a current week, most referrals, most requests, and most leads. And I think below that, which I don't want to move the screen, there's a all-time leaderboard. All-time most referrals, all-time most requests, all-time most leads. I was surprised that I had the most referrals, but this is not a contest. This is just a program that's working, and it will work for you if you work it. And as you can see here, it's showing my total mail so far. 77 kits in position 1, 235 in 2, 337 in 3. And this number simply means this is the amount of kits that's out there with your name in that particular position. And pending mailing, I have 1 kit that's in the pending mailing for position 1, 12 in position 2, 40 in position 3. And these are mailed daily. So this number resets to 0 once all these kits that are pending have been processed. And then it's a fresh day. It starts all over again. Any kits that you get requested through your efforts will be always in position 1. And these are only the ones that you'll be able to see in your back office, those that are in position 1. 2 and 3, of course, are on those people's pages who are in position 1. So you only see what you have personally done in your back office. But you do see, once you get, like, if you click on My Money, because you also get email notifications daily whenever you get signups, enrollments that's come in. It lets you know what position that particular enrollment came in, and then you can come back here and cross-reference it by clicking on the My Money box, and it will show you which level that enrollment came from, whether it was from your own efforts or level 2 or level 3. So you are kept up with all the activity that's going on in that's involving you in this particular program. So this is really an online marketing program because you're marketing your link, and it's also a direct mail program with a twist. The twist is we don't have to spend any money to mail out the kits that are requested. That's what's making this program different, is the fact that you can just advertise your link and get people to request your kit, and the admin sends out that kit for you for free. You don't have to pay for the postage. Amazing. And the commissions are just getting bigger. As you see, this is $13.40. I've only been in it maybe 2 days over a month, I guess. 2 or 3 days over a month, not much longer than a month. And it's paying pretty good. So folks, click on the link in the description if you want to join this program. We have traffic that our team is getting, and we're getting our kits requested. Hey, come on board. Click the link in the description. Fill out the opt-in form. Get in and look at the quick video, and the timer ticks down to from 1:45 to 0. Then the request form will be visible, and you just fill out all the pertinent information. Make sure you have the correct name and all the correct information. If you're serious about this program, put in serious information. So once again, I'd like to thank you guys for watching the video. Those who have subscribed to my channel, I thank you. I do this for updates for you all. And click the notification button or bell if you haven't. That way, every time I put up a video, you'll be notified of that. And like I say, just thank you for the subscription. And those who haven't, click subscribe. hey, get on board, interact with me, ask me questions, send me emails, whatever. I'll get back in touch with you. Click the link, join the team. Let's make some money. Take care.